Hi, this is sit stand desk manual. What we provide with sit stand desk manual is we provide the tabletop, the size of 1400 into 750 millimeter, that is 4.6 feet into 2.5 feet. We provide 4 different colors and along with the white frame, though it is black here, but what we provide is white frame. In terms of the features, it can take 70 kg weightlifting capacity, and then it has we provide like 500 millimeter height adjustable range. That means the lowest height the desk can go down is 755 millimeter from the floor. From there it goes to another 500 millimeter. That becomes 1255 millimeter. Along with that, it has a foldable handle design. That means the handle can be folded and pushed inside. Whenever you want it, you can pull it and then you can rotate up and down. And we provide 3-year warranty on all the functional components. If you need any more details beyond this, please reach out to our website and also call us.